My name is Al Imran. So we are building a house on Greenwell, 1H plan in Somerset community. I would have to say definitely customer service and very helpful, going beyond to help the customer out to make the process easier to understand step by step. Again, I think definitely customer service. I have to give it a 10 on that. Definitely, any questions, day and night, you email, you get an answer within 24 hours, stating what exactly the next step is, and always there to make you understand where the money went, where the credit went, and so on.
Go for it. It's really, I always like their houses. It's beautiful. And I always looked at Shaw Homes for, I've seen their houses, their different houses, and I always like their designs and their models and everything. And I think they are quality builders.